This is a brief video on how to set up the Intex Solar Cover Reel. Unbox and lay out all the parts. Attach the axles on the horizontal beam towards the end of the long side of the pool. Tighten the screws by hand. Assemble the aluminum pipes in ABC order. Make sure the spring pins are snapped into the holes. Adjust the length of the pipe according to the width of the pool. Insert the pipe into the axles. Ensure the pole is secure by snapping the spring pin into the axles. Attach the C-clips onto the aluminum pipe assembly. C-clips should be evenly spaced along the pipe. Unfold the solar cover and place it on top of the pool water. Attach the clips to the edge of the solar cover. To roll up the solar cover, unlock the reel by pushing down on lock button. Grab the handle and turn the handle clockwise. Then, push up to lock. To roll out the solar cover, push down to unlock. Grab the edge of the solar cover and walk it slowly to the end of pool. Then, push up to lock. Before getting in the pool, please go through the pool safety checklist.